Santos Vlog, Housekeeping, NC2 Batch 1 2026, trainer, Mr. John Christian G. Maranya.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am April A. Santos. I am currently studying in Pasig City Institute of Science and Technology. I'm taking a housekeeping NC2 Batch 1.
We have 4 sections of vacuum cleaner. We have a head section, we have body section, and inner section and outer section. First, we have a head section. We handle po siya para po madala kahit sa area ka, start maglinis or naglalagay. Meron po tayong lower port. Dito po, nagpapakuyo sa mga wet areas na i-vacuum po. We have a on and off switch for power supply. We have electrical cord para po sa supply ng kuryente or electricity for unplug and input in outlet. We have a body section. We have a dust drum. We have a suction board, and we have a left and right flexible lock to hold the head section. We have a 4 accessory holder, and we have a caster food storage, and we have a caster wheel. Now we have inner section. We have a filter bag or filter top, dust bag. We have a filter brace to support the filter bag or filter top. Para po hindi matiporn. Sa outer section naman po tayo, we have a extension wand. We have a flexible hose. Yan po, kinukonect po siya sa suction port. Ito po, ginagamit po ang extension wand para sa mga matataas, para madaling maabot yung mga ceiling or wall. Meron po tayo squeegee nozzle para po sa mga wet areas pag binacuum po natin. We have a brush, carpet brush, para po sa mga carpet, and meron din po siyang switch para sa mga tiles or flooring. We have a small brush for furniture or sofa set para po madali po siyang malinis. We have a revise tool para po sa mga cabinet or drawer para po madaling malinis, and mga windows sa mga skip na areas. Gamit na po natin yung mga parts sa caster ay sa holder, accessory holder para po na ma-organize. Do not restore in a hot and sunlight area, and always restore in a cool and dry storage. Do not vacuum hard and sharp objects, especially coins, nails, screw, and glass.